Hello, well this is a cheap disc detainer lock. It's a 6-wheeler made in China, and there is the bitting, and right, now then, I'm trying to do this through the camera. I'm doing that on purpose. Have a bit of a practice on this, and straight down to the bottom. Number 1 is, or number 6, that's a no lifter. No, I can't see that, so let me just give it a bit more. I'm not on it. Sorry guys, I'm just, well, we'll say that's it. So the next one is a little click down. The next one is, get on it. I'm tensioning up and I'm putting too much pressure on it. I'm not on it. No clicks out of that one. And the next one's a deep one. And then the next two are shallow, and the last one is, oops, did I slip off it? Hey, there we go. Woo! Well, that's great. That feels great. That feels absolutely great. I'll get it out. There we go. Did it. With my little piece of kit. There it is. Got the markings. Can you see those? There you go. There's a little mark there. It's difficult for me to see actually through the camera. I struggled with that through the camera. So anyway, you can see how it's made, can't you? That's the main mark there on the top. Come on. There's the main mark just there, and then on the opposite side there's another mark actually, but that mark isn't quite square, and you know there's a screw holding it. And I need that screw actually, because when I'm doing it I can feel it with my finger, so I can know where the pick is, and that's all in line. So there we go. Thank you very much guys, see you around.